Are you looking for the best shampoo for men's hair? In this video we will look at some of best shampoo for men's hair. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Pedro Volume Shampoo. Pedro Volumizing and Thickening Biotin Shampoo is a great choice for men looking to add volume and thickness to their hair. It's packed with biotin and rice protein, which work together to give your hair weightless volume while strengthening it. This shampoo is especially useful for men with fine or thinning hair. It helps improve hair strength and elasticity while effectively cleaning the scalp of dirt and oil. Key ingredients include biotin, which supports healthy hair, and hydrolyzed rice protein, which adds body and fullness. It also has burdock and ivy extracts, which help soothe the scalp. The shampoo is free from parabens, sulfates, and alcohol, making it safe and gentle enough for everyday use. Plus, it has a fresh green apple scent, making it a pleasant experience when washing your hair. Number 4. Baebody Tea Tree Shampoo. Baebody Tea Tree Shampoo is an invigorating and cleansing natural solution for various hair and scalp issues. The formula contains key ingredients like tea tree oil, avocado oil, and peppermint oil, which work together to cleanse, strengthen, and repair hair. Tea tree oil's antibacterial properties help combat dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp, while avocado oil nourishes and repairs the hair shaft. The shampoo is designed to balance oil production, making it particularly effective for men who struggle with oily hair or scalp. It's free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it suitable for all hair types. The vegan and cruelty-free formula aligns with eco-conscious values. As a clarifying shampoo, it effectively removes buildup without stripping the hair of its natural oils, leaving it feeling clean, strong, and healthy. Number 3. Everyman Jack Tea Tree and Cedar Shampoo. Everyman Jack Tea Tree and Cedar Shampoo is an excellent choice for men seeking a natural and effective hair care solution. The formula combines tea tree oil and cedarwood, which are known for their soothing and invigorating properties. Tea tree oil helps to cleanse the scalp and reduce dandruff, while cedarwood provides a refreshing, masculine scent. The shampoo is free from parabens, phthalates, and dyes, making it a healthier option for daily use. Additionally, it contains natural menthol and glycerin, which help to hydrate and soothe dry, irritated scalps. This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner not only cleanses but also conditions the hair, leaving it strong and nourished. Its natural ingredients and dual functionality make it particularly suitable for men looking for a straightforward and effective grooming product. Number 2. Scotch Porter Hydrating Shampoo. The Scotch Porter Hydrating Shampoo is a standout product due to its sulfate-free formula, which ensures a gentle yet effective cleanse without stripping the hair of its natural oils. This shampoo is particularly beneficial for men with thick, wavy, curly, dry, or textured hair, as it promotes softness, shine, and overall scalp health. One of the key ingredients in this shampoo is kale protein, which helps to strengthen the hair and combat damage and dryness. Additionally, white willow bark is included to address issues such as flakes and dandruff, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy scalp. The formula is further enriched with horsetail extract, known for its ability to support healthy hair follicles and promote hair growth. Scotch Porter Hydrating Shampoo is also vegan and free from harmful chemicals such as parabens, sulfates, phthalates, silicones, petrolatum, PEGs, mineral oil, and synthetic colors. This makes it a safe and conscientious choice for those looking to avoid potentially damaging ingredients. The shampoo has a masculine and invigorating scent, featuring notes of eucalyptus, citrus, bergamot, cardamom, lavender, geranium, amber, cedarwood, patchouli, and musk. This blend provides a refreshing and pleasant fragrance that is not overpowering. Number 1. Brickell Daily Strengthening Shampoo. Brickell Daily Strengthening Shampoo is an excellent choice for men seeking a natural solution to thicken and strengthen their hair. This shampoo is formulated with 97% natural and 83% organic ingredients, making it a great option for those who prefer to avoid harsh chemicals in their hair care routine. The key ingredients in this shampoo work together to provide multiple benefits. Hydrolyzed wheat protein increases the thickness of each hair strand and strengthens the underlying hair structure. Amino acids restore shine and increase follicle volume, while vitamin E stimulates the scalp and hair follicles to promote growth and minimize hair loss. One of the standout features of this shampoo is the inclusion of peppermint and tea tree oils. These essential oils not only create an invigorating scent but also help relieve scalp irritation and eliminate flakes. The combination of these ingredients results in a deep cleansing experience that leaves the scalp flake-free and refreshed. The shampoo produces a rich lather that effectively delivers its potent ingredients to the hair and scalp. It's suitable for daily use and safe for color-treated hair, making it versatile for various hair types and needs. The refreshing mint scent adds an energizing element to the hair washing experience. So that sums up my top 5 shampoos for men. I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.